Hey everyone, it's Scotty here. In this video we're going to be sketching this girl holding a skateboard sitting on the edge of a wall. I really like this reference because it's got so many interesting parts to it. She's wearing a hat, a hoodie, a jacket with pockets and long sleeves, and then the skateboard leading near the shoes is really interesting. Our challenge here will be to sketch all of these parts of the body so they're all in proportion to each other. Now I like to sketch freely without any construction lines, so this could be a challenge. But my videos are more about enjoying the sketching process than trying to get it all perfect, so don't worry if it doesn't look exactly like the reference. We're just enjoying the sketching process. So I've got the main shapes around the face. I've got where the hat goes, where the hair is, a little bit of the jacket. Now I'm going into the face and adding in the eyebrows, the nose, and a bit of the lips. And shading where the eyes go, just subtly. Now I'll be adding a bit more detail to the jacket and adding in a hand there. So I'm looking up at the reference and then I'm looking back down and comparing the shape, like the V shape that's made between the two arms and the distance between the bottom of that V and the top of the collar. I didn't move the camera up here, so I missed filming some of the legs. Now I'm adding some darker lines to those shadows we did earlier. It really helps me be confident in where to put those final lines. My thinking here is to use as minimal lines as possible. So that's why I just focused on the top of the eyelids, the little corners of the nose, mainly the split between the lip and a tiny bit at the bottom of the top of the lip. Okay, before I add a wash onto this, I want to go through and just add a bit more value to some of the lines. So I'm not going to make every line dark the whole way, just certain parts of lines. Loving how you can see the lines underneath this wash. Trying to get a gradient so the bottom of the hoodie is really dark, and then as it goes up, making it really light. So then under the hood of the cap, I can make that darker, and it contrasts the light on the top. I'm using a really light wash here to do the shadows on the face because I often regret doing these shadows too dark. I can always add a bit of pencil later to add some extra shading. Now I'm using a blending stick to add in some nice gentle shadows. I really enjoyed sketching this reference. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.